Hey there, just want to say thank you first of all for allowing us to send you this video. My name is Joelle and I'm with ZOE SEO and Web Design. Basically, I just wanted to share some tips on how to get seen on Google, to get to that first page of Google and ultimately to the top of your competition. So it's called search engine optimization. It's basically the engine in the vehicle that makes it go. So it's what makes your website go to the top. So there are three main components. The first component has to do with your content. That's everything within your website here, mostly on this first page. Generally, you want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this first page here. And that can be within your titles, with what's behind your pictures, what your pictures are saved as, within the paragraphs. Within all of that content, you'll want to have specific keywords or search terms that Google will be looking for when a person types in what they need in relation to the services that you offer. So the other two types of components that go into search engine optimization have to do with backlinks and referring domains. So what I'm going to do is take your website into this tool that we use to show you how you're ranking within Google. Right here are the three main components: backlinks, referring domains, and keywords. You're only ranking for 12 keywords right now. I'll go into that in a second, but to get back to referring domains, these are other websites. It could be a blog, a online magazine, anything that has to do with houses or residential areas or commercial areas in relation to your services. It could be Facebook, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Home Advisor, any other website that will allow you to have your URL within their website. That's a referring domain. And if that link is clickable, that could be a backlink. So we want to give as many referring domains and backlinks, good authoritative backlinks as possible, and the same as the referring domains. Now, in regards to your keywords or content, these are specific search terms that people will be Googling to find your services. Right now, it looks as though you have some kind of very high-tech products as keywords. I would never, if I was looking for HVAC or electrical work, I would never know to type in these numbers right here, but you're ranking for those specific numbers. It must be a product that you offer. But we would like to implement the search terms that people are Googling when they're needing your services. So to give you an example, what I did is I Googled HVAC in Colton. I think that's where you are located. And this is the search results. So up at the top, you're going to see the Google ads. We can definitely create a Google ad for you if that's what you're wanting to do. Below that is the map pack or the local maps listing. These are basically the Google My Business listings that have been optimized with the necessary reviews, content, photographs, those kind of things. And so this is something that we also do. We can definitely optimize or create your Google My Business listing if you haven't done one already. We can optimize it and get you to that top portion to be seen. Below that is the organic search results. These websites have risen to the top based on their combination of keywords, referring domains, and backlinks. Now, of course, you're going to see Yelp at the top because they're connected to so many other websites. But let's just bypass Yelp, that directory listing. I think Ream is another directory listing. And go right here, 4-point SAC. It says a family-owned and operated HVAC company. So I know they're not a directory. Let's just take them. They're one of your competitors for HVAC in Colton. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them also within the search tool to see how they are ranking within Google. And this will give you an idea of what you would have to beat in regards to backlinks, referring domains, and keywords to get to the top. So right now, Wow, this would be very easy to beat. Actually, they're only ranking for 31 keywords, and they're only listed in 69 other websites, giving power to 400 backlinks. So let's just take a look at their keywords as an example. Currently, right now, you have such things as, oops, wrong thing. Sorry about that. Keywords. You have these. I'm not exactly sure what it is. It's maybe a product. So this is what the keywords you have that you know you're ranking for. Um, and so let's just see. These are the type of keywords that you will want to implement to get to the top of Google search. Um, Air conditioning repair. I guess Highland must be close to Colton because these people were found, or this company was found in Colton. Air Colton. Um, Highland refrigeration, Highland heating and air, Highland airport heating and cooling. I'm guessing that this Highland area must be close to Colton. Anyway, you can get an idea. There's buyer intent here. When people are Googling Highland air conditioning, they want an air conditioning company that's close to them in Highland. So that's the kind of key search terms that we would want to implement. There's many different variations that we could implement within your content in relation to what you offer with electricity and HVAC services. So in regards to referring domains and backlinks, just to recap, we would want to find out where they are listed, and we want to get you listed in those same places, as well as some of the other competitors in your area. And then that would give power. We would want to find those high authoritative backlinks to implement those within in relation to your site. So this is just a quick overview, and if you're interested in seeing what we can do to help your website out and let it be seen within Google and that front page, just respond back to the email, and would love to hear from you. Let me know how I'm doing. Please give me a little feedback. I appreciate you so much. Thank you.